do a quick Valentine's Day basket. These are the supplies that we're gonna use. And then if this is the first time that you are chiming in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's take a look. So here we have our basket. Little basket, a red basket in the mind of Valentine's. We're gonna take our tissue paper and wrap our stiffer tissue and stick it inside of the heart. Tuck it in as so. Ta-da. So we're gonna start stacking our items in the gift basket. And I try to kind of coordinate colors and try to make a theme, a theme of the basket. Make it a little interesting. And I add things that I think would be useful to the recipient. So we stuck some Dove lotion in here. These are little bath spritzers. And then there's like an eye mask and a gnome. And then we're going to put some conditioner and shampoo in here. Almost done. And you just arrange it, play with it until you get it to your liking. And then I use clear tape to kind of bind things together so they're not falling all over in the basket. You can use little sticks too if you like with glue, hot glue. But yeah, this is much more, this is quicker. And this is how it will look. All the little items follow a little theme. It's kind of, this is, I'm gonna call this the lip basket. And then you can add a little flower on here on the end. Give it a little bit more pop. And these baskets can serve for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays. It really doesn't matter. It just depends on how you put it together. And then in some cases, if you have a bow on it, you can take that bow off and just change the bow. Keep the baskets as it is. But yep. Thanks for watching. Until next time.